Welcome back. In this lecture, I will explain the working of HTML method. So this is a jQuery library method and it is really very important. So let me give you an example so that you can better understand its functionality. So let's say I want to change the content of this division tag, a division tag whose class name is my style. Okay, so let's say if I write dollar and then I would write div dot the name of your class my style. So I am saying that I want a div object whose class name is my style and I want to change its text, and within the text function I am saying that I would write understanding and HTML and I will close the bold tag method. Right, this is what I want. So I want this text to be written inside this div tag. So I want to replace assignment 2 solution with the understanding HTML method, and I want that my word HTML, it must be in a bold effect. So I am trying to apply a effect of bold on this HTML word. So let's save this document and go back, refresh your page, and see right now we have assignment 2 solution here. Now if I click on the make changes, see I got understanding HTML method, but I am getting the exact text that I wrote in the text function. I do not want bold tag and the closing bold tag. I just wanted to apply a effect of bold on the word HTML. So what is happening here? How can I do this? So if you want to apply the effects of HTML tags, then you can use HTML function. Now let me save this and let me go back, refresh the page. Now if I click on the make changes, see I got the effect of bold on the word HTML. So that is the idea of using HTML. There is another functionality of HTML, just like setting or applying HTML effects or HTML tag effects. I can also fetch the entire HTML. So let's say if I write that I want to fetch the content of this unordered list using the text function. So I would get all text elements, like I would get home, about, sitemap, upload and query. But if you want to fetch the entire HTML written inside this unordered list, then you have to use the HTML function. So let me write down my function here. Let's say if I write where data equals to, then I am saying that I have unordered list and I want to get the text of this unordered list, and then I will display the entire content that is written in this unordered list. So see that in our document we have only one unordered list, right? So let's see what would be the output of this code. Now if I click on the make changes, so see I got the entire text written in that unordered list. Okay, so but this is only a text, so we do not have the HTML part here because text function only returns the text. So if I say that I want the entire HTML, okay, now if I save my document and let's refresh the page. Now if I click on the make changes, see you got the entire HTML written inside that unordered list. So HTML function can be used to apply the effect of HTML elements and to get the entire HTML. And now once you have this entire HTML, you can paste it somewhere in your jQuery code. So this is all about HTML function.